You clicked on this video because you want to know how to create viral dropshipping ads that don't just get views, but make sales. Well, recently I took a brand new dropshipping store from zero to over $100,000 in less than 30 days. And the AI ads that actually converted were the ones where people had no clue that they were AI generated. When people spot AI in your ads, they mentally follow your brand as fake and never come back. So I'm gonna show you how to make AI ads that look completely real, starting with step 1, which is creating a script that stops the scroll. Listen, everyone is using AI to write scripts right now, but the problem is it's painfully obvious. You can easily tell when someone just copied and pasted whatever ChatGPT spit out without thinking. It sounds robotic, it sounds generic, it sounds like every other AI generated ad that's flooding the feed. So the key isn't just using AI, it's using AI the right way. Let me go ahead and show you what I mean. So I'm gonna head into ChatGPT with this exact prompt right here. Now, I'm not gonna read over the whole thing, but pretty much what it does is it tells ChatGPT to act like an expert advertiser and to come up with 5 different hooks that grab attention in under 4 seconds. Now, quick note, this walkthrough assumes that you already have a winning product, but if you don't, no worries. I left my top 10 winning products of this month in the description down below so you can get started immediately. All right, so we got our prompt, and not only that, but I also went ahead and grabbed the product information straight from Amazon, like the product description and all the actual details about what makes this product valuable. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drop that in ChatGPT so it's not gonna just go ahead and make some stuff up. That way it's working with real information about the product so that the hooks connect to what people actually care about. Okay, so now that that's inputted, let's go ahead and hit generate and see what we get. And there we go. ChatGPT just spit out 5 different hook options and completed 15 to 30 second scripts broken down scene by scene. And I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one right here. I was tired of starting Bible plans but never finishing them. I mean, that's definitely relatable, it's specific, and it speaks directly to the pain point without sounding like some type of sales pitch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and copy this whole thing and I'll head straight over to the platform that now brings this script to life. Now the next step is creating your avatar. And this is arguably the most important step, because if in the first half a second your hook feels like AI, or worse, looks like AI, your video will get skipped. So we need to get this right. Step 2, create your first frame. Okay, I got ArcAds pulled up, and listen, with this avatar, I'm not gonna just go ahead and pick someone who just looks good. I'm going to be matching the creator to my target audience. Now, we're advertising a Bible study for women, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna filter for young adult females. And as we're scrolling through, you can see that there's dozens of avatars here. Okay, so the main mindset you need to have here is you need to really just think, who is your ideal customer? What is their age? What is their demographic? What is their ethnicity? What do they typically look like? The closer the match, the better that the ad is going to perform. Because when someone sees the ad, they need to feel right away like, wow, this person looks just like me, and have that feeling within the first 3 seconds. And if they don't, you have already lost the sale. So once you find someone that feels right, just go ahead and click Add Actor. Now, here's the key move though. Before we generate the talking head, we need to create what is called our first frame. This is the image of our avatar actually holding the product. So I'm gonna use this image generation feature, and my prompt is simple. A UGC influencer holding an A5 size book with pride in her hands. I'm including a screenshot of the avatar that we just selected, a photo of the actual book, and the product size so that the AI gets the scale right. Now this might seem small, but this part is extremely important. You don't want the product looking like a postage stamp or a billboard in their hands. I mean, you want it to look as natural as possible. So now that we have that all inputted, let's go ahead and hit generate. And there we go. We've got shots of our avatar holding the product in natural, authentic looking poses. One is grasping it in the middle and one to the side. And honestly, I really like this one right here because it feels like she's genuinely excited to share this journal with everyone. So I'm gonna go ahead and run with this one. Step 3, generate your talking head. All right, so now we're ready to create the main talking head footage. We're pasting it inside the script that we created back inside step 1. So let's go ahead and clean it up first. So we're gonna remove any stage directions, scene labels, and any type of extra formatting. We wanna leave just the words that the creator is going to say. Now from here, ArcAds is gonna give you 2 different options. First being text-to-speech, where you just type it in and then AI reads it. Where the second option is speech-to-text, where you record yourself reading it for more natural tonality. And I'm using text-to-speech because it's faster for this example, but if you want more control over pacing and emotion, I do recommend that you record it yourself, because that can make a huge difference in how authentic this thing sounds. Now, before we generate, let me show you the features that ArcAds has built in, because this is where it gets extremely powerful. You can change the voice to different ages, accents, styles. You can remove the background if you need to. They've got auto captions. They even got Nano Banana Pro for advanced caption styling. But here's what I think separates Arc Ads from all the other AI ads platforms, is that you can adjust emotions. You can make your avatar sigh, laugh, giggle, gasp, whisper, even shout. I mean, there is a ton of control here to make it feel as natural and authentic as possible. Now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and select the preset that matches the vibe that we want, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate video. So now what it's gonna do is it's gonna start rendering, which will take about 5 to 10 minutes. And while it does that, we are now gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. Step 4, generate your B-roll. All right, so while the talking head is generating, the next thing we need is B-roll. And this is what separates high-end ads from cheap-looking talking heads. Now, in terms of generating cinematic B-roll like this, I find that using Sora 2 has been the best. I'm gonna go ahead and head back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask it to create a prompt specifically for video generation. I'm giving it context about what we're selling, which is the Bible study book, and the vibe that we're going for is cozy aesthetic, warm lighting, and lifestyle shots. And within only a couple seconds, ChatGPT spit out a detailed prompt covering camera angles, style, lighting, mood. I mean, pretty much everything that you could possibly need. It's super elaborate, and it even breaks down different shot types. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and copy that prompt and now head over here to Sora 2. I'll paste the prompt in, upload a reference image of the book, and then go ahead and hit generate. And now we're definitely cooking. So right now, Sora 2 is creating cinematic B-roll of the product that we can then layer in into the final edit. We're talking professional looking footage of the book on a table with soft lighting and close-ups of the pages. These are the kind of shots that you would see in a high budget commercial. And by the time that this finishes, our talking head video from Arc Ads should be ready as well. Step 5, bring everything together. All right, so by now we got all our pieces together. The talking head video from Arc Ads, the first frame image of our avatar holding the product, and the cinematic B-roll from Sora 2. And now it is time to bring it all together in our video editor, and you can use whatever video editor you want for this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is upload the full talking head video. And I'm gonna go ahead and extract the audio so I can cut to the beat of what is being said. Then I'll start snipping this into segments. This is what's gonna let me drop in B-roll at the right moments without losing the flow. Then after that, layering in that first frame image as the opening shot, matching what is being said versus what you're seeing on the screen. So for example, when our avatar is talking about consistency, I'm showing a close-up of the journal pages. Then when she's talking about peace, I'm showing that cozy lifestyle shot. The main thing you want to do is just make sure that the pacing and what you're seeing and hearing all feels natural and together. And now, I think that this is ready, so I'll just go ahead and hit export and then take a look at the final result. Man, I don't know about you guys, but this has me feeling excited, but a little scared at the same time. Because just imagine how crazy AI is going to be in the next couple of years if it's already looking this crazy. I might not even know what to believe anymore. But there you go. You've got a complete UGC ad that looks like it costs $5 grand to produce. And here's the best part. This is just one script with one avatar. And you can scale this infinitely. If you want to test with different age groups, well, just generate a new avatar. If you want to test out different hooks, well, use the other 4 scripts that ChatGPT already gave you. And if you want to test this with different products, well, just rinse and repeat. At this point, you can create an entire library of ad variations in the time that it would take to schedule one content creator. Let me tell you why this approach is so powerful. It's because traditional ads feel like ads. People sit there every day and scroll right past them. They've already seen them a million times and they know that they're being marketed to. But UGC, user-generated content, it feels personal. It feels like a real person is sharing something that they genuinely care about. When someone in your target demographic that looks like you and talks like you is talking about a product that you're interested in a relatable way, it's not gonna just trigger that, hey, I feel like I'm being sold to reaction. It's gonna feel like a recommendation from a friend. And here's what separates the people who actually win from the people who just watch tutorials, is that the winners understand that speed is everything. While you're sitting here watching this video, someone else is already buying their first ad. They're testing, they're iterating, and they're finding what works. And in 30 minutes, they will have 3 variations live while everyone else is still planning to start soon. Where you now have the availability to create the same type of content in 30 minutes or less instead of the normal 3 weeks. You can test more hooks, more avatars, and more angles in a single day than most people can test in a single month. Where you're never dependent on anybody. You're not waiting on content creators to get back to you, and you have now full control of your business, allowing you to focus on creating, testing, and finding winners all in the same day. But the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it is where most people lose. And I do not want you to be that person. Now, what's great though is that you can run this exact workflow over and over again. different hooks, different avatars, different age groups, and completely different products, where you can create an entire ad library in the time that it would take to schedule one single content creator. And look, if you don't have a product yet, well, do not start stressing. So grab that free product list in the description, as it's going to give you the top 10 winning products for 2026 that all hit the AAA framework. And I even broke every single one of these products down step by step and how you can start making money from them today in this video right here. Then after getting that list, come back to this video and run through it as many times as you need to until you get this dialed in for the product that you choose. Because once you nail in this process, well, you're not just creating ads. You're building a system that lets you test faster, scale smarter, and stay ahead of everyone else who's still waiting weeks for content. This is how you level up your game in 2026. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and following along with me. I'll see you in that next video. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.